don't know what's going on inside her head, but I can't explain how I feel when I lie in this cold bed. It seems now that I'm lost in a way that I can't speak. It's the way she looks me in my eyes where I finally found my peace. But Lord, I found my way, and I'll say that I love her till the day that I don't pray. Lord, I've tried all of this before, but you've given me the one I failed to find.